Good evening everybody and welcome to day 92 of lockdown. Well, it's just gone 9 o'clock in the evening. I've had a grueler of a day at work. Just had my tea and decided to come out for my walk. It's a lovely evening. The sun's just setting over there. Previous evenings I've been coming out earlier while it's still quite warm, and I have to say the biting insects have been a nightmare, especially the horseflies, constantly landing on any bare skin you've got out, and before you know it, by the time you flick them off, they've already done the damage, and I'm covered in little bites on my ankles, on my legs when I've been wearing my shorts, on my fingers. So yeah, not very nice. So I've left it a bit later tonight, and of course I've got my long trousers on as well, because I think there still might be a few kicking about and flying about, just being little pests. Yeah, so like I say, I've come out, just gonna have a bit of a wander around, go down the bridleway, see if there's anything worth telling you about. And later on this evening I'm probably going to nip out again. So I'm just looking over there because that's where the buzzard lands. I thought I'd seen something then. I'm going to come out later on, and I might place the camera, come out a bit later, and because I bought some cocktail sausages today, so I might give that a try. See, the blackberries are now starting to open up. We'll be picking those soon. It's going to be a bumper crop around here. You'll have to excuse me, I'm now ducked down in the grass, because that box that I've been watching for weeks, I noticed the other day that there was some more bird droppings on the entrance. I've literally just approached and I've spotted 2 birds in there. I think they might be kestrels. I have seen a kestrel flying round. Can you hear them? I've not been able to ID them properly. I think they might be kestrels. They're right above me. I'm trying to keep as still as I can. Thanks for that. Definitely kestrels. I think they're the youngsters. Just moving away now. I've been walking past that box for weeks and weeks, And it was only probably a week ago I noticed that there was more bird droppings around the entrance to the nest box. And I did wonder if something had moved in there. But that's the first time I've seen anything. Couldn't believe it as I was approaching. I was just walking up and I could see there was something not quite right. Look, the shape just looked different. I suppose that's just going out day in, day out, looking at the same thing. And you must just take it for granted. But when you see when it's something slightly different, you pick up on it. That's brilliant. I'm really pleased with that. Even from here, I can see. You might not be able to see it on camera, but if I zoom in, right in the middle there, you can see. It just looks, there's like a pale mark right in the middle of the trees. And that's where the nest box is. And that's what I picked up on. Even from this distance, that's just made my night, that has. I'm so glad I came out. I'm still not convinced whether it's the two youngsters or parent and a youngster or two parents, but I think the youngsters, those two. Brilliant. Right, well, I've doubled back. I didn't want to go underneath the tree and disturb them, so I've doubled back, and I'm just gonna, I want to go back and have another look, but no, I'll leave them to it. Don't want to disturb them anymore. There's a bird just landed right in the tree. Biggish. Could have been a pigeon, but I'm guessing that's the parent returning with something. Could be wrong. It's a beautiful evening for it anyway. Good morning, everybody, and what a beautiful morning it is. It's absolutely glorious this morning. I've come out a little bit later. It's about 6:15 and it's day 93 of lockdown. I've already seen the buzzard. I've already collected the camera. There's only 4 clips, but I'll come back to that. But there's definitely footage of the fox, so that's good. As you know, I found the kestrel family in the nest box last night, and I'm just approaching the tree now where the nest box is. Just have a look, see if they're around in the morning. But when I got home last night, I was so excited. I watched the clips back, and there were 3 kestrels in the nest box. You could just see one peeking through the middle of the other 2. I couldn't see that on the camera, but yeah, when I got it back home and checked, 3. That's brilliant. Right, so we're just going to check now, see if they're hanging around. I'm just below the tree now, and I can hear them. Definitely hear them. Let's see if we can get a closer look. There you go. There's one of them. I'm only using my phone this morning, so that's as far as I can zoom in, I'm afraid. But yeah, they're definitely there. Right, I'm not going to stay for too long, I'm going to move straight on. If you think about it, this one field has been very good to us. We've got the fox, we've got the buzzard, we've got the woodpecker, and now the kestrels, all bringing up their own little families, all in and around this one field. It's a hive of activity. Just caught another glimpse of the buzzard, only brief, but it saw me coming and just flew off. Going back to the wildlife camera, the last few times I've been putting the camera out, there's only ever been 3 or 4 clips, and I'm wondering whether the batteries, because it's got rechargeable batteries in, I'm just wondering if the batteries have just coming to the end of their power, and when it's putting the infrared out, it's just not enough power to keep recording. So I think I might charge the batteries when I get home later, and we'll give it another try another day. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that one with the new sighting of the kestrel family in the nest box. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, then you can just click on this icon here, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next episode. Please leave your comments, because I always enjoy reading those, and if you did enjoy this video, then there'll be a couple more videos just here that you're more than welcome to watch. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.